Meaning of environmental education. Environmental education is a process that aims to raise awareness and impart knowledge and skill about the environment, with the goal of fostering responsible attitude and action towards environmental issue. It is a holistic and interdisciplinary field that combines elements of science, ecology, sustainability, and social studies to help the individual understand and appreciate the natural world and interdependence of all the living organisms. The key objectives of environmental education include: point number one, promoting environmental awareness. Environmental education seek to make people more conscious of the environment, its challenges, and its importance in sustaining life on Earth. Point number two, building knowledge. It provides individuals with the knowledge and understanding of ecological process, environmental issues, and the impact of human activities on the environment. Point number three, developing skills. Environmental education help people acquire practical skills that enable them to make informed decisions, solve environmental problems, and take sustainable actions. Point number four, fostering responsible behavior. It encourages individuals to adopt environmentally responsible attitude and behavior such as reducing waste, conserving resources, and supporting sustainability initiatives. Point number five, connecting with nature. Environmental education often emphasizes the importance of connecting with nature, promoting outdoor experiences, and developing an emotional bond with the natural world. Types of environment. The term environment can refer to various contexts, and there are several different types of environment, each with its own characteristics and significance. Here are some of the most common type of the environments. Number one, natural environment. This refers to the physical surrounding in which organisms live and interact. It includes elements like landform, water bodies, climate, flora, fauna, and ecosystem. The natural environment plays a crucial role in supporting life on Earth. Number two, built environment. The built environment comprises human-made or constructed surrounding. It includes cities, buildings, roads, bridges, infrastructures, and other man-made structures. Urban planning and architecture play a significant role in shaping the built environment. Point number three, social environment. The social environment encompasses the interaction relationships and natural and cultural factors that influence human behavior and social development. It includes elements like family, friends, social norms, and institutions like school and workplace. Point number four, economic environment. This environment to the economic condition and factors that impact businesses and individuals. It includes economic policies, market condition, inflation, unemployment, and economic system like capitalism and socialism. Point number five, political environment. The political environment involves the structures and processes of government and politics within the region or country. It includes government policies, laws, political ideologies, and international relations. Point number six, cultural environment. Cultural environment encompasses the customs, traditions, beliefs, values, and art forms of the society or community. It influences the way people perceive the world and interact with each other. Point number seven, technological environment. This refers to the state of technology within a society or organization. It includes innovations, research, and development, and the impact of technology on various aspects of life and business. Point number eight, biological environment pertains to the living organism and ecosystem in a given area. It encompasses interaction between different species, food chains, and impact of environmental changes on biodiversity. Number 9. Global environment refers to the condition and issues that affect the anti-planets such as climate change, pollution, and international efforts to address global challenges. Point number 10. Virtual environment. With the rise of technology, virtual environments are becoming increasingly significant. These are digital or stimulated spaces where people interact, often in the context of virtual reality or online communities. Number 11. Work environment. Work environment refer to the condition, culture, and dynamic with the workplace. These include factors like company culture, management style, safety, and job satisfaction. Point number 12. Educational environment. Educational environment encompasses all aspects related to the teaching and learning process. This includes school, colleges, universities, teaching methods, and resources available for education. Point number 13. Rural environment. Rural environment are typical characterized by the lower population densities, agriculture activities, and natural landscapes. They often contrast with urban or suburban environments. Point number 14. Urban environment. Urban environments are characterized by high population densities, extensive infrastructure, and concentration of economic, cultural, and social activities. They are typically found in cities and metropolitan areas. They are just a few examples of many types of the environment that exist. Each of these environments can significantly impact individuals, societies, and ecosystem and is often interconnected with other types of environments. The scope of environmental education. The scope of the environmental education is vast and encompasses a wide range of topics and approaches. Environmental education is a multidisciplinary field that aims to raise awareness about environmental issues, promote sustainability, and encourage responsible stewardship of the planet. Here are some key aspects of the scope of environmental education. Point number 1. Formal education. Environmental education is integrated into formal education system. From kindergarten to higher education, it involves curricula, textbooks, and teaching methods that emphasize environmental concepts and issues. This approach is crucial in shaping the values and attitude of future generation towards the environment. Point number 2. Non-formal education. Environmental education also occurs outside traditional education institutions. These include nature centers, museums, workshops, community programs, and online courses. These programs engage people of all the ages in learning about environment. Point number 3. Outdoor and experiential learning. Environmental education often includes experiential learning in natural setting. Field trips, camping, and outdoor activities help individuals connect with nature and understand ecosystem firsthand. Project Learning Tree is an example of an environmental education program that focuses on hands-on outdoor learning. Point number 4. Citizen Science. Citizen Science project involve the public in scientific research, allowing people to contribute to environmental data collection and research. This engagement fosters a sense of ownership and responsibility for environmental issues. Point number 5. Advocacy and activism. Environmental education often motivates individuals to become advocates for environmental protection. It empowers people to take action, participate in environmental movement, and influence policy decision. Point number 6. Sustainable practices and lifestyles. Environmental education promotes sustainable living and consumption patterns. This involves teaching individuals about energy conservation, waste reduction, sustainable agriculture, and ethical consumer choices. Point number 7. Global perspective. Environmental education extends beyond local concern to global issues. It encourages individuals to think about the interconnectedness of ecosystem, climate change, and impact of human activities on global scale. Point number 8. Cross-disciplinary approach. Environmental education draws from various fields, including ecology, economics, social science, and ethics. It combines scientific knowledge with ethical and social consideration. The scope of the environmental education is dynamic and continuously evolving as new environmental challenges emerge. It plays a crucial role in creating a more formed and responsible global citizenry capable of addressing and complex environmental issue of our time.